Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about fraction and how to put the fraction on a number line. So let's get started. A fraction is a part of whole. Fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. Numerator is the number of parts that is taken into account. A denominator is the total number of equal parts the whole divided into. Let's get started with an example. I made a circle and I'm making 4 equal parts and shaded 3 of them. So the fraction of shaded part will be 3 by 4. 4 because there are total 4 parts we divided the circle into, and 3 parts we made the pink. So the shaded part will be 3 by 4 and unshaded part will be 1 by 4. One part is still not been shaded and 4 is the total number of parts. Let's get another example. This is a rectangle. I am making it 5 equal parts. So if we make 4 lines, that will give us 5 equal parts. And I am shading one of them. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So denominator will be 5. And how many parts is shaded? 1. Now look at the unshaded part. There are 4 parts are not been shaded. So the 4 will be numerator, and as usual we have 5 equal parts. So 4 by 5 will be unshaded part. Fraction have 3 types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Proper fraction when the denominator is greater than numerator. For example, 3 by 5. 3 is our numerator and 5 is our denominator. So 3 by 5 is a perfect example of proper fraction. Improper fraction when the denominator is less than numerator. For example, 8 by 3. Denominator is 3 and the numerator is 8. Because 8 is greater than 3, this is a perfect example of an improper fraction. Mixed fraction have 2 parts. One is whole number part and a fraction part. For example, 2 1 by 5. 2 is the whole number and 1 by 5 is a fraction. So 2 1 by 5 is mixed fraction. Let's go to the next topic. Unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction whose numerator is 1. Let's get started with the example. This is a circle and I'm making it 4 equal parts. So each part will be 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is called unit fraction because 4 1 by 4 make it whole, the whole circle. If we express this as a number line, one number bond 1 by 4 by 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So 4 1 by 4 makes the total circle. So 1 by 4 is the example of unit fraction. Let's do with a rectangle. This is a rectangle and I am making it 5 equal parts. If we make 4 lines, that gives us 5. Each part will be 1 by 5. This part should be equal. I'm sorry, these last 2 parts are not equal to the others. So when you do it, try to make it equal parts. So 5 1 by 5, 5 1 by 5 part make the whole rectangle. 1 by 5 is a unit fraction. Again, if we express it with number bond, 1 is whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put our unit fraction 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, and this is also 1 by 5. And let's put the unit fraction in a number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now, take the example of this one. Each 1 by 4 is a unit fraction and 4 of them make the whole. Now, if the denominator is 4 and we're expressing the whole number of 0 in terms of the partition, which is 4, the numerator will be 0 by 4. If the whole number is 1 and we are expressing the partition in terms of fourth, so 4 into 1, 4. That means 4 1/4 make the whole. For example, 2, if the denominator is 4 and the whole number is 2, so numerator will be 4 into 2, 8. That means 8 part of 1 by 4 make the whole number 2. So if we join 8 1 by 4, it will make 2. Let's put in as a number bond. 2 means 1 by 1. Each 1 by 1 has 1 by 4 part. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 1 by 4 makes the whole 2. For example, if the partition is 6 and we're expressing in terms of the whole number 0, the numerator will be 0. If the partition is 2, if the partition is 6 and we are expressing with the whole number 2, the numerator will be 6 into 2, that's 12. So this way will go. So this is 0 by 4. 1 means 4 by 4. 4 into 2, 8 by 4. This is 12 by 4. Okay. Now let's put all the three types of fraction on a number line. First, I start talking about proper fraction, which always lies between 0 and 1. Let's try with this example. So, because proper fraction always lies between 0 and 1, I put 0 the initial point and 1 is the final point. Denominator always tells you that how many equal parts are there. So here, the denominator is 5. So we can say between 0 and 1 will be 5 equal parts. If we make 4 line, that will make the whole number line into 5 equal parts. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, now it makes 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 means, again, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and 1 is 5 by 5. And 3 by 5 is our desired fraction. Next example, 4 by 7. Here, the denominator is 7. So definitely the initial point will be 0, final point will be 1. So between 0 and 1, it will be exactly 7 equal parts. If we make 6 lines, that will give us 7 equal parts. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 means 0 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. This is 4 by 7. That is our desired fraction. Let's go to the improper fraction. Always remember, improper fraction always lies beyond 1. So in this improper fraction line, we don't have to start with 0. We can straightway start with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting the whole numbers first. Now, if the whole number is 1 and we are expressing it in terms of sixth, it will be 6 into 1. The numerator will be 6. If the whole number is 2 and we are expressing the partition in terms of sixth, the numerator will be 6 into 2, 12. If the whole number is 3 and we are expressing the fraction in terms of sixth, the numerator will be 6 into 3, 18. If the whole number is 4 and we are expressing the partition in terms of fourths, it will be, in terms of sixth, it will be 6 into 4, 24. So let's put those fractions here. 1 means 6 by 6, 2 means 12 by 6, 3 means 18 by 6, 4 means 24 by 6. Now look at this. Denominator is 6. Between each whole number 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, we have 6 equal parts. Again, if we make 5 lines, that makes us 6 equal parts. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 5 lines between 1 and 2 that gives us 6 equal parts. Between 2 to 3, let's make 5 lines again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gives us 6 equal parts between these two whole numbers, 2 and 3. From 3 to 4, again 5 lines. This gives us 6 equal parts between two whole numbers, 3 and 4. Now let's put the fraction. This is 6 by 6. This is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. So this is our desired fraction, 11 by 6. And 11 by 6 lies between two whole number 1 and 2. Let's go to another example. Fourths. Let's first put the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This is improper fraction. Again, improper fraction lies beyond 1. So our starting point will be 1. Now, if the partition is fourth, in terms of whole number, it will be 4 by 4. 4 into 1 is 4. For whole number 2, the partition in terms of fourth will be, the numerator will be 4 into 2 is 8. If the whole number is 3 and we're doing the partition in terms of fourth, the numerator will be 4 into 3, 12. If the whole number is 4 and we are expressing the partition in terms of fourth, it will be 4 into 4 is 16. So now let's see, 4 is the denominator. That means between 1 and 2, 4 equal parts. Again, if we put 3 lines in between, that give us 4 equal parts. 3 lines in between 1 and 2. 3 lines in between 2 and 3. 3 lines in between 3 and 4. Now let's put all the fractions that we find out recently. 4 by 4. This is 8 by 4. 3 means 12 by 4. And 4 means 16 by 4. Now look at this. 13. The number 13 lies between 12 and 16. So if 3 is 12 by 4, 13 by 4 will be exactly here. Let's go to one last option. Mixed fraction. This is the last type. Mixed fraction always lies between two whole numbers. Plotting mixed fraction is pretty easy because they already gave you the whole number. So 2 and 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 4 makes this whole number 2, 1 by 4. 2 and 1 by 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Because the fraction is 2 1 by 4, definitely it will lie between 2 and 3. Okay, so whole number part is cleared. What about the fraction part? Look at the denominator is 4. So between each whole number, 4 equal parts. If we make 3 lines, that will gives us 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it should be equal. 1, 2, 3. So this is 2. This is 2 1 by 4. 2 2 by 4. 2 2 by 4. Sorry, this is 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. And 2, that means 3, that means 2 4 by 4. So this is our desired point. And if you think about the proper fraction 1 by 4, it will be this side. Like you have to extend the other side to put between 0 and 1. Okay. Look at this example. 3 2 by 5. 3 plus 2 by 5. So definitely it will go beyond 1, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 2 by 5. That means it will lie between 3 and 4. That we confirm. But look at the fraction part. 2 by 5. If we make 4 equal parts, 4 lines, that will make 4 equal parts. So this is 3. If 3 1 by 5, this one is 3 2 by 5. So this is our desired point. Before concluding the video, I would like to recap what we learned from this video. Let's put this fraction in a number line. Whenever you see a fraction, first try to determine whether it's a proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed fraction. Look at the first example, 5 by 8. So it is example of proper fraction. And we just learned that proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. The denominator is 8. That means between 0 and 1 is 8 equal parts. If we make 7 lines, that will gives us 8 equal parts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 0, 1 means 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. We're looking for this point. Next example, 5 by 3. This is an exact example of an improper fraction. And we know when we get an improper fraction, it goes beyond 1. So the starting point is 1. I put 2, 3 here, and 4 here. Denominator tells us how many equal parts between each whole number. This is 3. The denominator is 3. So 3 equal parts. Put 2 lines gives us 3 equal parts. So this is 1. And in term, that means 3 by 3. If the partitions are 3 and the whole number is 2, the numerator will be 6 by 3. So 3 by 3, 4 by 3. This is our desired point, 5 by 3. Look at the third example, 10 by 7. 10 by 7, again example of an improper fraction. It will go beyond 1, 3, and 4. If a seventh part, the numerator will be 7. In terms of if whole number, it will be 7 by 7. If its whole number is 2 and the partitions are 7th, the numerator will be 14 by 7. I'm making 6 lines that will give us 7 equal part. This is 7 by 7, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, and this one is a 10 by 7. we're looking for this point. Now the last example. 15 2 by 3. That means 15 plus 2 by 3. So it's obviously the mixed fraction will lie between 15 and 16. So 15 2 by 3. First one will be 15 1 by 3. First of all, we have to make two lines because the denominator is 3. This is 15 2 by 3. So this is our desired value. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, you will learn about equivalent fraction. So please stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.